In this episode, we'll be saying Ohio to the deers of Nara, Japan. Susubukan nating mag-extreme activities dito sa observation deck ng Chukinkaku. Maghahanap tayo ng toys and manga. And in the evening, we'll be visiting the famous Team Love Botanical Garden. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a thumbs up on this video. Good morning! It's fourth day here in Osaka, and we are actually heading to Nara Park. We're actually walking towards the Kintetsu line, so it will take around 30 to 45 minutes yung train ride. We're just gonna spend yung morning there. Tapos Tower, Rotonbori, then lastly we'll be heading sa Team Lab, which is actually far down south ng Osaka. So yun yung end of day natin. Go! Sakaumachi Station. Underground gate. So, nandito kami sa Nara Station. Pumasok kami using the Osaka Amazing Pass QR code. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakalabas, so hindi na siya gumagana dito. So what happened is, right now, Rod is actually buying a national ticket para makalabas kami, which is costing 590 yen. We realized na yung Osaka Amazing Pass pala, pwede siya sa any train as long as you're within the city. So, dahil lumabas kami ng city, which is, nandito kami sa Nara ngayon, kaya hindi na siya gumana. So, we paid an additional 590 pesos. Anyway, we're gonna explore Nara, and right now, ang main goal talaga natin is to go at Nara Park para magpakain ng mga deers. Yeah. So, let's go! Yeah. Order lang na tayo ng food. Beware of the male deer. Deer of Nara are well known. They are occasionally attack people, so please be careful. Bite, kick, butt, and knock down. People are gathering in this area, so bisita lang natin. So, yung mga deers dito, pinutol na nila yung mga horns nila. Kasi nga, syempre, delikado, especially pagka mag-mingle with people. Usually daw October. Oo. Pero kasi, according sa nabasa ko, wala namang nerve yung sungay ng mga deer. So, wala naman silang nararamdaman na, or hindi naman sila nasasaktan. Never ginagawa yun sa kanila. So, here they are. Napakaraming mga deers here. Maghahanap ka lang ng medyo gutom na. Ay, meron pa siyang horn. I'm afraid. So, maghanap tayo ng medyo wild yung mga like that one, no? Ayan. Ito mo yun? Wait, they're fighting. So, marami sila dito. Hi! This is wild. Hi. How to take off the dust and the poop in the shoes. And then, hugasan natin sa grass. So, yan guys. The deers and the people, all the tourists. So, actually, you just need to look for a deer na gutom para mapakain sila. So after an hour of feeding the deers, we're heading back sa Osaka kasi yun lang talaga yung pinuntahan namin dito sa Nara. Mabilis lang din naman yung biyahe, kaya okay na rin na side trip lang siya. But if you really wanted to explore the place, actually marami pang pwedeng gawin dito sa Nara. Pero dahil limited yung time namin. And mas gusto namin mag-shopping sa Dotongo. Kaya doon na tayo pumunta. Near the terminal or the train station, meron ditong parang market which you can visit. Especially if you're hungry or if you want to buy some pasalubong or whatnot. So, this is my remembrance from Nara. I bought a cab. So, we're now here at Ebisustro Station and we're heading dun sa famous tower in this area. Nakalimutan ako. Saan tayo pupunta? Wait for that. Hanap na tayo ng kain. Bili ka na. Yakisoba. We ordered that one. Guys, someone's jumping. Look, tatalon. Oh. So, tapos na kami mag-quick lunch and we are now heading to tower. Ang dami palang kainan dito eh. Nagsiksikan tayo dun sa area na yun. And what are they looking for? Observation deck slider. So, unfortunately guys, hindi kami naka-try nung slider or yung jump. Kasi yung palang Osaka Amazing Pass, hindi pala siya pwede ng weekends dito. Pwede bukas ng after? Pwede siya ng Monday. So, ang pwede lang namin magawa is yung tower, yung view deck, yun lang yung pwede raw for today. Denden. So, yun yung parang pinaka-anime area nila dito. Where we can check out anime stuff. 2,000 lang. Gabi na. Okay guys, we're back here at Dotonbori and we're gonna meet again Glico, the running man. Napakaraming tao. But we will survive this focus challenge. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're having dinner here at the curry house, Coco Ichibanya. Bakit wala ng pagkain? Language, English. Okay. So guys, nandito kami sa Nagai Park. 6:30 ang time namin is supposed to be 7 pasok. May time pa tayo to go around. We're visiting the Team Love Botanical Garden. So parang light show siya.
on our next episode.
Guys, we're here!
We are visiting Universal Studios Japan.
Guys.